So I'm making something I'm calling Hobo Shawarma. It's beef scraps I got cheap in the butcher shop, red onion, balsamic vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder, and Dijon mustard. Add it all together, give it a good all mix up. Separate it into small containers just so it could marinate properly. And made a slaw out of a slaw kit. It's cabbage, carrots, and broccoli stems with Tzatziki sauce. After it's all marinated, I throw it on my little grill and cook it over the fire. Threw some pita down with garlic hummus and, mid-thing. Add the slaw and then toast it over the fire. After toasting it on the fire, it was 10 out of 10. Fantastic, beautiful, amazing even.